This Bharata Desha, which we call India now, is the most sacred and purifying land. It was and continues to be a living source of spirituality. It has seven great holy rivers and numerous instances of avatars or incarnations of Bhagavan. Many great jnanis or seers, religious teachers, and spiritual giants incarnated here. Many Maharishis perform severe penance in hundreds of thousands of temples. They produce numerous texts, documentaries, and discourses on our philosophies. Thousands of scholars from many countries came to study and carry the knowledge back to their nations. This is why our ancestors called Bharata Desha the preceptor for all nations or Vishwaguru. The word Bharata itself is one who revels in splendor of knowledge. In this glorious land, the southern part is blessed with limitless splendor, home to several tens of thousands of temples dating back millennia. This area produced hundreds of scholars and great devotees. Shekarar, the author of the much acclaimed 900-year-old treatise called the Periya Puranam, says the southern part of the country has done severe penance. Three great dynasties, the Chera, Shora, and Pandya, ruled these regions for millennia and contributed immensely to furthering Dharma. Of the southern part of Bharata, the Tanjavur area has unique greatness. Known as Shora Mandalam, this district was a rice bowl to all peoples from time immemorial. Spectacular ancient temples equated to Kashi include Tiruvayyaru, Tiruvadaimaradur, Mayiladurai, Shvetaranyam or Tiruvengadu, Sri Vanjiyam or Chayavanam. The town of Tiruvarur is considered to confer moksha on those born there. Numerous religious practitioners performed great yajna and were crucial to Bharatadesha being called Vishwaguru. The great river Kaveri, also called Ponni or river of gold, is the cause of such distinction. In such a hoary setting, in the village of Satanur, lived a glorious individual called Sri Keshava Iyer. In his long line of Vadama Brahmana families, this Ausatya Gotra Mahan was a Rigvedic scholar. His descendant, Sri Panchapakesha Iyer, married Yogambal and had a son called Sri Mahadeva Iyer. Sri Mahadeva Iyer learned Sanskrit and English. He sold his lands at Periyakudi and settled down in Adityan Udayapuram, the town where the sun or Aditya dawned. This place is now called Adityapuram. Even as he worked for the Loco division of the Southern Railways, he continued his religious practice rigorously. He performed Shiva Puja every day. On every Ekadashi, he organized bhajans and a rendition of Ramayana at his house. Eventually, he married Srimati Parvati Ammal, the daughter of Sri Nemmeli Atmanada Iyer of Mannargudi. They had 4 children, 2 male and 2 female. 10 years into the marriage, Srimati Parvati passed away unexpectedly. To add to his sorrow, 3 of his children also died in quick succession. His only thought was of protecting and raising the last child, Sri Lakshmi. After some time, he desired a companion who would also help care for this daughter. On 9th of July 1933, Sri Mahadeva married Saraswati, the daughter of Sri Ramamrita Iyer, from a village called Irulniki. Located near the Tiruthirai road near Mannargudi, it is situated on the banks of the river Harischandra. Surrounded by rice fields, this settlement had the Kailasanatha temple on the east and the Lakshmi Narayana Perumal temple on the west. There were also temples dedicated to the village deities on the north and south. Legends say that Sri Rama passed through this town on his way to find his wife, Sita. Many Agnihotris lived here. The well-known resident, Brahmashri Veeraswamy Ganapadigal, taught at the Veda Patashala at Tiruvanaikka. The village literally means remover of darkness. Little did anyone know that an actual remover of darkness would be incarnated here. Jaya Jaya Shankara, Hara Hara Shankara.